Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download entire WordPress media library. So basically, you can download WordPress media library by clicking the image, and then you can click on download file. Then the image will be downloaded. But if you want to download the entire image, then you need to install a plugin. Just go to plugin and then go to add new plugin. Now on the search bar, here search for export media library. Export media library map, and this is the plugin we are gonna install. Just click on install now. Activate. Now on the left panel, hover over the media and then go to export. Folder structure, you can choose folder structure, nested folder, or you can choose single folder. Compress, you can choose compress yes or no. If you want to compress your media, then you can choose yes. If you don't want to compress, then select no. After that, click on download zip. Now it's downloaded. Now you can see the downloaded folder, and it's zip folder. Just open the zip, and this is our media. So that's how you can download entire WordPress media library. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.